It's early morning here in my classroom.
So, break time ko ngayon. Nandun ang mga bata sa cafeteria, nagpa-lunch. So, we're getting ready to go out.
It's so beautiful.
Okay, dali na magkalo ta. And then, let's go. So, nandito kami sa laundry shop. Din-drop off lang namin ang aming mga laundry. So, normally ako talaga nagda-drop siya, pero sometimes ang asawa ko. And this girl is always excited to get her cat. So, nandito kami ngayon sa gas station, guys. Ayan ang asawa ko. Magpagasolina lang kami. Ayan. Hindi ako hindi ako nag-vlog since dumating kami dito. This is the very first time na magpa-vlog ako kasi meron sila dito bakery. Tingnan natin kung okay yung mga bread nila na sila hat malunggay pandesal everyday fresh daw. Yes, so meron na kaming pandesal, guys, at saka Spanish bread.
Hey!
Hello, guys! Ayan, so first time ko pa itong mag-vlog since dumating kami dito sa city where I was born. Hi, Rachel! Ayan, so busy kasi masyado, guys. Ayan, so pupunta kami ngayon ng mall. Yeah, we're gonna get what we need. And I hope you guys will stick with us. Please watch until the end. Ganito ang province life, char. So we are here at 7-Eleven. Magpapa-Gcash lang kami, guys, kasi nirentahan lang namin ito. We are in the process of getting a car. So while waiting kung ano yung makukuha natin, yeah, nagrent lang muna kami, guys. We don't want to make a rush decision kasi medyo mahal ang sasakyan, diba? So much better na we are sure of what we really want before kami mag-decide.
Sponsored.
Oh, I heard that China is very competitive when it comes to.
Yeah, but like I said, sir, that's all hybrid.
Right.
This one is fully electric, 100%.
Oh, now what is hybrid?
Like I said earlier, sir, the hybrid thing is it sets up with engine and electric power.
Oh, okay.
So when the vehicle runs into 35 kilometers, it's not electric power anymore. It uses the engine.
Look, you see this? 1 ton. How many pounds is in 1 ton? Well, let's say Daddy is 200 pounds, right? 1 ton is 1,000 pounds. That means that it can hold. You can put 1,000 pounds inside of this, and it can hold it with no problem and take it. This is nice.
Maybe. We will pass this way. There's some other tips there. But
7-seater siya. Look at the interior, Daddy. Daddy said, are the features, whatever. No, hindi. And then, this is not pure leather though. Over here, this is automatic. It has rear monitor also. Look at this. Nice.
Take a photo.
So, we are back here. Katatapos lang namin kumain, guys. Ay, nako. Akala ko talaga nawala ang phone ko kasi I thought ilagay ko dito sa bag. Tapos, nandun na kami sa sa Jollibee. Hanap ako ng hanap kasi i-film ko sana kasi that's what we missed when we were in the USA, di ba? All the Filipinos can relate sa Akua. But anyway, so hanap kami ng hanap, tapos bumalik ako dito, hinanap ko, wala talaga. Tapos nandito lang pala sa may door, di ba? The closest na pwedeng tingnan is the door. Hindi ko pa talaga chinat ang door, tapos nandito lang pala. Ay nako, natakot, sobrang takot ko talaga. So anyway, pupunta kami ng appliance store, guys. Mag-check lang kami na what are we looking for over there?
Washing machine.
Yeah. So titingin lang kami ng washing machine, guys, para hindi na tayo mag-waste ng money sa laundry shop. Hi, Daddy. Nandito kami sa appliance center, guys. So, nag-check lang kami ng mga washer. So, sabi ng asawa ko, kuha lang kami ng yung medyo affordable lang. Kasi, hopefully, temporary lang siya. Saka na kami mag-invest. So, ito. By the way, this one is 12,200. Ito na yung mga features niya. Meron na siya lahat yung parang sa States. Diyan nilalagay yung sa hose. But this is what we are going to be getting. This. Murag old style siya, guys. Ayan. So, mag-manual taan eh. So, ayan. Pwede pa rin naman siyang magamit na mag-rinse. Kaso lang, after emptying the water pa. Tapos, meron siya ditong spinner na maliit. So, that's fine for now. Ayan. So, iti-test lang namin siya, guys. Nandun pa kasi yung Yan, so, nabili na namin yung unit, guys. So, ito na yung washing machine na binili namin. So, this is the washer. Meron siyang hose, like to empty the water. Ito rin yung hose to fill the tank or the tub with water. Tapos, ito siya cover. Ito siya dito sa spinner. Yan. And this is the spinner. Yan, it comes with a manual, guys. Yan, this is the spinner. Ito, i-cover natin ito when we use this para hindi magsipaglabasan yung clothes. Yan. Then, bumili na rin kami ng ito, guys, extension wire para mas safe daw siyang gamitin. Yan, so nabili na namin yung unit, guys. Tapos, in front sa kadwa mong ipalitan, meron palang mga little stores na nagbebenta ng mga gulay, ganyan. Bumili ako ng gulay, guys. I paid 449 lang. Daghan na kayo napalit. Tapos namalit pa kong saging. I bought some saging. And also yuca kasi meron silang yuca. So right now, we are heading to the like water refilling station so that we can refill the water. Tapos magpalit po mi og tubig before we go to the to the mall. So yeah, for me, supporting the local vendors, you can really save more. So yeah, yan na yung technique namin ni Habi, right Habi? Yeah, we're just gonna buy some vegetables at the local stores para mas fresh pa, fresh pa compared to the, to the big stores. Yun. Tapos, yung sa na lang, yung sa isda na lang kasi hindi pa ako nakakabili ng isda, guys. Since dumating kami dito. Kasi, medyo mahal sa sa mga supermarket, diba? And maliit lang yung refrigerator namin. So, ayan. Maghahanap pa kami ng yung market na mapagbibilhan namin ng ng isda na gwapa ilahang mga isda para mauna na siya ganun na yung magiging sistema namin dito. Charot. Right, Habi? You kind of have some idea of what I was talking about. So, hello guys, I'm back. Anyway, yeah, we've been running around, guys. We're trying to take care of some errands.
Busy.
Yeah.
Hot, sweaty. After you use powder around my neck, I sweat so much.
So anyway, dadaanan muna namin, guys, ang aming small property. May nabili kasi kami dito na maliit lang na land para lang sa sa house. Yan, i-check lang namin, guys, kung okay lang ba siya, i-fill lang natin siya. And there's another water refilling station over here. Nagpa-refill din kami ng tubig, guys, and then bumili kami ng 3 pang gallons para always tayo may reserva, diba? And then, yeah, that's it. After we check our land, i-drop off namin ang mga na family namin sa bahay, and then we'll go straight to the mall kasi yeah, bukas plano namin na i-return na ang car para maano natin ba magamit natin ng maayos, para sulit ang bayad. Yan, so nag-check lang mga pulis, guys. Ganito pala sila dito. I don't know if ganito sila palagi every day. Ipakita ko ng konti, guys, ha. Parang alerto sila ngayon. Usually kapag ganito kasi, guys, parang may hinahanap yan sila. Yeah, kasi center ito. Parang ito kasi yung center siya, guys, ba ng yung parang transportation, ganon. So in and out, kung papunta ka ng Davao, dadaan siya dito sa sa lugar namin. Papunta ka naman dun sa kabilang I think Patutong, Maitong, whatever. Yan, so in and out siya. Kaya kapag may mga alerto yung mga police dito, so mag-alerto po ko, guys, kasi hindi ko pa masyadong kabisado din yung place namin dito. Sige, see you later.